Welcome all. We are going to start a new lesson from 4th standard, that is addition. Earlier we have seen two lessons. First lesson was geometrical figures and the second lesson was number. I hope you have all have understood it. Now we will go for our addition lesson. So the first point from it is we are going to add horizontally and vertically. Now horizontally and vertically means what? Horizontally means you are going to solve in such a way. The one way which is given on the board, same way you are going to solve. And vertically means you are going to arrange up one above another and then you are going to solve it. Okay, we will just see how we are going to solve in horizontal way. Just count the numbers, how many they are present. Just see 2347. There are four numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1232. What they are? 1232. So they are also 4-digit number. So 4-digit and they are also 4 digits. So it will be no problem for us to solve it directly. Now how we are going to solve this, we will see. Now always remember, you are going to add unit with unit itself. Tens with tens, 100 with 100 and 1000 with 1000. So you are just kind information I am just going to write down over here, the places also. You are not supposed to write in your book. You are just going to remember this for your extra knowledge I am writing on the board. This is unit, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. Same over here, this is unit, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So always remember you are going to add the places such as unit plus unit, tens plus tens, 100 plus 100 and 1000 plus 1000. So just see near the board 2 at the unit place. You are also going to add unit place which is present over there, that is 7. So 2 plus 7. Can you tell me what will be the number? Yes, 7 plus 2 or 2 plus 7. The answer is 9. Correct. Now just see at the tens place. 3, 2 and 7 are already over. Okay, just we will focus on the next part, that is these 4 and these 3 which are at tens place. So 4 plus 3. What is the addition? Yes, it is 7. Just see on the 100 place, that is 3 and here over it is 2. So 3 plus 2 is how much? Yes, it is 5. And 1000 place, 2 and this 1 which is present at the 1000 place. So 1000 we are going to add. So 2 plus 1, what is the addition? Yes, it is 3. So the addition of the given two numbers is 3579. Similarly, you can take any problem. Now the problem I will just share with you will be of 3-digit and 4-digit number. So we will take any random example. You can take 1046 plus 323. Now this is 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. How we are supposed to solve this? I will just show you. See, this is 1000, this is 100, this is tens and this is unit. Same over here, this is unit, this is tens and here it is 100. In this sum, in this particular number, there is no 1000 place. So just pay attention near the board. Unit plus unit. What is the addition? Yes, 6 plus 3. You are going to add them. What is 6 plus 3? Yes, it is 9. Next, 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? Yes, 4 plus 2 is 6. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3 itself. And 1000 is only one number over here. Here 1000 number is absent. So we are going to write that 1001 which is present. That is 1. We are going to write it as it is. So the addition will be 1369. This is about the horizontal method. Now we are going to solve the vertical method. How we are going to solve? Just see me on the board. What they have given you? They have given you two sums and they have told you two numbers and they have told you to add them. First number I am going to write on the board. Okay? Addition. Why they both are 4-digit numbers? So I can place the first number at the first place and the second number below it. While writing, I will see that I am going to write unit below unit, tens below tens, 100 below 100 and 1000 below 1000. Okay. So this number is 2148. I will write 2148 8. All numbers are equally below one another. Now just check near the board. 5 plus 8. What is the addition of 5 plus 8? Just count and tell me. Yes, addition of 5 plus 8 is 30. Always remember 3 when I am going to write over here. The 1 is getting carried forward and it is added on the next number. Okay. Now 4 plus 7. What is 4 plus 7? Just count and tell. Yes, 4 plus 7 is 11. And this 11 plus this 1, that is 12. So I am going to write 2 over here. Again 1 is carried forward. Yes. Now just add 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 1 is 6. Fine. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So the addition is 3623. Suppose if I give you any other number. For example, the number is 1099. And the next example is 201. Now how I am going to solve this? Always remember when there is 4-digit number, 3-digit number, any numbers in such a way which are one is big, one is small. So always remember one thing, you are just going to take the biggest number on the top. So here the bigger number from this is which number? Yes, it is 1099. Fine. Plus 201. How I am going to write it? Just see, 1 will come at the unit place. Correct? 0 is at 10th place. So 0 I am going to write over here. And 2 I am going to write over here. How I am going to add them? Just you help me out. Fine? 9 plus 1 is how much? Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. So I am just going to write 0 over here and 1 is going to get carry forward. Okay, now just check. 0 plus 9 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. So again that 0 will come here and 1 will be carry forwarded over here. Now just add again. 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. And the next number, there is no one at the down, so we are going to just write it as it is. So the addition of the given two numbers is 1300. Okay, we will solve more examples given on the board. The question is asked to you, add vertically. So how we are going to write them, just we will see. 2149, it is 4-digit number. And the next number is 231. So one is 4-digit number, another one is 3-digit number. Always remember one thing, the bigger digit number you are going to write at the topmost place. So I am just going to write this 2149 first place. Okay? Why I am doing so? It will be more easy for you to calculate the numbers afterwards. So the next number is 231. So 231, how I am going to write? Yes, always remember you are going to write the unit below the unit place. I am just going to start from here. Here 231, 1 is at the unit place, so I have written 1 over here. 3 is at tens place, so I am going to write below 4. And 2 is at 100 place, so I am going to write below 1. And I am just going to add them. Simple. 9 plus 1, just count and tell me what is 9 plus 1. Yes, 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 will be over here and 1 will be carried forwarded on the next numbers. Second, 4 plus 3, just count the below numbers first. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Yes. Next, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is what? Yes, it is 3. And 2, there is no one below it, so we are going to write it as it is. Have you understood this one? Yes. Just go for the next question. Here they have given you 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers and they have told you to add them. Few students might say, teacher, this is so difficult, but actually it is not. It is very easy. Just see, one is 4-digit number, other is 2-digit number, and the next number is 1-digit number. Always remember the bigger number will come on the topmost place. So, which is the bigger from this? Yes, 1976. So, I am just going to write 1976 on top. See the next number, 32. Now 32. 2 is at unit place. So, I am just going to write 2 over here. And 3 is at tens place. I am just going to write over here. Don't start from here. Please don't do that mistake. Okay? And the next number is 9. So 9 is 1-digit number, that is the unit place. So we are going to write 9 as it is. It is addition, so we are going to add it. Fine. Now you will be thinking, why I have written 2 times addition? Because here there are 3 numbers for 2 time addition. Here there were 2 numbers for 1 time addition. Okay? Just see here. 9 plus 2. What is 9 plus 2? We are just going to count now this side. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is, yes, it is 17. We are going to count this total full 9. It is 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So we are going to write 7 over here. 1 will be placed on the next number stop. Okay, it is going to be carried forward. Now just check. There is nothing, there is no number present over here. So we are not going to count anything. We are going to start from here. 3 plus 7 is, yes, what is 3 plus 7? It is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. So we are going to write 1 over here. 1 will be carried forwarded over here. See, check the next number. There is nothing present over here down. So that 9 and that 1. It is what? 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0 will be here and 1 will be on the top. And 1 plus 1, the answer is, yes, it is 2. So the final answer which you got is 2017. We will check for the next number. Here they have given you two numbers and both are equal. Equal means what? They are of equal digit. 100 is also 3-digit number and 2009 is also 3-digit number. So how we are going to write that? We are going to write 100. Now when the numbers are same means they are some same in digits. Both are 3-digit number. That's why we are going to write anyhow. For example, this number which is small, if you wrote first also no issue. If you write that 209 also first, there is also no problem. Okay. So 100 plus 209. Why I have written from here? Because both are 3-digit number. Automatically all the places will be adjusted. That's why. Just check here. 9 plus 0 or 0 plus 9 is what? 9 itself. 0 plus 0 is again 0 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So have you understood these questions? I hope you will solve the questions which are present in your textbook. Try to solve them. If you are having any difficulty, just ask me. Thank you.